Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Philippine.
Your name. What is your name?
Gina Pineda.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 46.
46 years old. Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Okay, do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 children.
3 children, and where are they now?
They are in the Philippines now.
Who's taking care of them in Philippines?
The two they are studying. They have their boarding house, and the other youngest is with my husband.
With your husband. Okay, so what position are you applying for?
First of all, I want to be housemaid. And if there is a vacant for nanny, it's okay because I'm nanny right now.
Okay, so it's okay with you to work as an all-around housemaid. No problem with you.
Yes, no problem.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
November 1, I'm available anytime of November.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have my sister, my niece, my sister-in-law.
Okay. Please describe your present job.
Pardon?
Please describe your present job.
My present job now is I'm a nanny and I'm taking care of the 2 children, 5 years old and 2 years old. Okay. And I'm taking care of them.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities for the children?
To take care of them and to keep all their things, their clothes, their things in the school, preparing their lunch, going to school.
Okay, so describe in details, how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
First of all, I will clean first the kitchen.
Okay, how are you going to clean? How are you going to clean the kitchen?
Of course, we clean the dishes and then we will get the if there is the vacuum and or after that the steamer or no steamer mop.
Okay. So for the bedroom, how many times in a week do
for
you
the
have to
bedrooms,
change the bed
of
sheets?
course, you will clean the sheets, you will change the sheet, you will arrange the sheet, then the things and the tables, and of course you will also vacuum and mop or steamer.
Okay.
And the toilet, you must clean the bowl and you must also mop and you will clean all the things there and arrange the things and the toilet.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I will ask first, or I will call first my employer to ask if there is something coming in the house.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook, but it depends because we are different food. They can teach me and how to cook their own food.
Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
When we are playing with the children, we are playing with and we are writing with their things in school and playing, painting.
Okay. So what do children like best about you? What do they like about you?
About me?
Yeah, the children. What do they like about you?
About me because I'm very sweet to them. Then we are playing each other. I'm the one who changed their clothes, and we are together the whole day. When the mother is not here, I'm always with them.
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
First, I call the madam. What happened to the children?
Okay, you will call your employer to
Yes,
inform them
yes.
what happened. Okay, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
What?
As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
No?
Okay.
Yes, sometimes if they are wrong. If they are wrong, I told them no, don't do that because it's bad.
It depends, right? Okay, so how much is your minimum expected salary?
Leave out 2,500 is okay.
Okay. Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I'm willing to work and I will work hard for you as well as I will do all my best so that you will like my work with you.
Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from ATV.com. Thank you.